Hi, this is Dorothy with Scrapbooking, and I have been negligent. I got this box probably last month, and I haven't even opened it. I've been too busy with too many big projects. So I am going to go ahead and open. This is my subscription, my scrapbook subscription from Close to My Heart. It's called Craft with Heart. It comes in this big box, and I order it by the year. So I get four projects with this subscription. I also get, this is such a better deal than buying, you can buy it by the month, but this is a much better deal. So you get, this one is going to be May through August. So May, June, July, and August. So I'm already behind. Okay, here's May. Ooh, those look like really pretty colors. And then we've got June, ready for going to the beach. And July, that right off the bat kind of looks like we need to celebrate 4th of July or some kind of patriotic day. And then we've got August. And this one is kind of geared towards birthdays. Oh, it's got a baby eating cake. How cute is that? And then, of course, you get, can't pick it up. You get 30 free prints from Persnickety Prints. So here's your code, and you get excellent quality prints from Persnickety Prints. So let me put this one aside. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is just kind of open up so you can kind of get an idea. You will always get page protectors. You will always get instructions on the flip side of the title page. And you can read the instructions. Or if you do like I do, I just look at the pictures. I'm sorry. It's sad. But my last resort is reading the instructions. I don't know what's the matter with me. You get your photo placeholders, and then you get die cuts. So there's no cutting with this. That's what makes it so fast. You know, you've got stickers, so you've got die cuts for layout 1 and 2. You've got stickers for layout 1 and layout 2. And then you've got the base pages. Well, let me just see what the orientation is for these base pages. Okay, so this is going to go like this. This is the second set. And then the first set is very pale background. Let me see if they're the same. They're the same. Well, wait a second. It goes like this. So you've got this really light kind of lines going through, and then a dotted pattern all around the entire 12 by 24 layout. So those are your base pages that you start from. And here are the pieces that are already cut and ready to go. Okay, I'm going to set this aside because I need to do this one, because that's May, and May has passed. Okay, then here comes June. I also need to do this one. Page protectors, instructions. Flip side shows you the layouts. And we've got our stickers and our die cuts with our photo protectors. And then the base. And these are the already pre-cut pieces for you, so you're not doing any cutting. And this is going to go so like this. That's going to go like that. And the second page, I like this. Look at this. That looks like it's ripped. I swear there's a shadow there. It looks like it's dimensional. So cool. And same thing on the other side. So we have some little where do those lines go? I think it goes like this. So this is June. I'll leave this out because I've got to do that one too. The only ones I get to put away are July and August, but boy, July's just right around the corner, isn't it? We've got some very hot weather. I think it's happening all over the country. But our air conditioner went out yesterday on Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, right? Okay, so here's our instructions, our page protectors. Oh, super cute backgrounds. Photo mounts, or photo placeholders, stickers, lots of little tassels and stars, perfect for July. And then layout 1, layout 2, die cuts with Celebrate. Ah, how cute. And here are the cut pieces, so you don't have to cut. So this is going to be this way and this way. And then this is going to be, let's see, a big star. There we go. Just like that. So how cute is that? That's very cute. Okay, so I can put this one away. Put my page protectors away. Gosh, this feels like this year is going by so fast already. It's half over. Good grief. And then we've got August. Okay. Once again, page protectors, instructions, photo mounts, stickers. Look how cute. Now, you don't have to use this for August. You use it for whenever you have a birthday. Just saying. Like Philip's birthday's in July. So, and here's our, look how cute. That's die cuts. That one goes there. They're falling off. They come off so easily. And then the backgrounds. And here are our already cut pieces for picture frames. And this is for the second layout. Got a journaling lines down here. That's how I know. So that goes like that. And then real quickly, I like this has got a denim look. I don't know that you can see that on camera, but it just looks like denim. So that is going to go over here, and that one's going to go like that. Look how cute that is. Super cute. Okay, so those are our 4 months. And let me put these under here and collect. Oh, I'm losing my banner. Just put all these together with the instructions. put it back in the bag so I don't lose any pieces. And this is for those of you who don't have the time to put into fussy scrapbooking. This is easy breezy, but doesn't look that way, scrapbooking. So you still are doing a little bit of craft, but it doesn't take you long. So that's our quarter of the year quick pass. And once again, you get 30 free 4x6 photos for getting the annual subscription. So thanks for watching, and you can go to dorothy.closetomyheart.com to purchase the subscription, and it will say when you go there and it says shop, along the top there will be a banner for subscriptions. So go ahead, make it easy, make your life easy. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hi, I'm Dorothy Smith. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and learn along with me. Thanks. Bye-bye.